difficult was it to have Nasir sir
Oh, it
and
was very
Pankaj
easy.
in the same
Very
film?
easy.
Innocent.
He is the director of
No,
Cocktail,
no, I couldn't
which
hear
was
the
made in
question.
Hindi.
I'm
by the
sorry.
way.
No, it was very easy. They're both thorough professionals. They have a very different approach to their acting, and they are brother-in-laws as well, brother and outlaws. But yeah, so they were just fabulous. They were fabulous in the same frame. It was a joy watching them. And since we are talking about these veterans, I must say I was extremely, extremely proud of Deepika and Arjun, considering the experience the other three have. They have gone pound for pound in this film, and I mean, they just hold their own in every scene with Nasir, Pankaj, and Dimple. This is an English film, and we have done a Hindi dub with the cast themselves. So yeah, we shot it in English, and they've done a Hindi dub on it as well.
Hi, Deepika. Bhavna this side from Z News. Deepika, there are news. This discussion is for you. There are news that you have asked for 15 crore for a remake of a thriller film. How true is that?
There's a producer sitting right here. Please ask him. And I do want to say that I think the source of this information is not credible, be it the journalist or the publication that's carried the story.
Thanks.
Sorry, say that again.
आपको बहुत पसंद करती हैं, 24 घंटे आपको देखना पसंद करती हैं, बहुत लाइक करती हैं आपको, डिम्पल कपाड़िया जी.
It's actually what I feel for her. But she's been lovely. We've worked on Cocktail before. And I remember on one of the off days during Cocktail, she took me out for lunch. She's taken me out shopping. She treats me like her daughter. She pampers me, she spoils me, and she loves me and I love her. And it's an equation that I'll never be able to explain in words. It's unsaid.
No, she was very comfortable. In fact, Dimple is, she's, I think she's extremely shy of the media, but she's completely game for anything. She's a sporting woman. She loves having fun. And in fact, in Finding Fanny, we've made her wear a 20-kilo prosthetic bottom and a stomach. And she wanted to make it 40 kilos, but I had to control her because she just loves going over the top. But yeah, she was completely game for anything. She likes having fun, and I think all of us love having fun, and that's why we had so much fun on this film. Was that Dimple's idea, or what do you? Oh, there's nothing to convince. That's the character, you know. It's not like she is Dimple Kapadia in the film. So as long as it's the character and she's playing it to the T, I mean, she's willing to do anything.
Good afternoon, homie. This is
Hi,
Vikram
hi,
from
hi,
NTA.
yeah.
Who thought of this name, Finding Fanny?
I thought of the name Finding Fanny.
Who do you think?
Who else
Matlab,
would think
who?
of it?
It could
Gone.
be. It could be you, Arjun.
I got cast after he thought of the name.
Yeah, because the only Fanny that you can find is actually Dimple Kapadia's, considering it is 40 kilos. As a
No,
soul
I
is saying.
think you're thinking of it in a slightly perverse way. I never thought of it that there was another meaning for Fanny, actually. I just felt it was
It seems it's just me and Pankaj Kapoor who's looking
just
at Fanny
you,
the way.
Pankaj Kapoor, and Arjun. But no, Fanny is the nickname of Stephanie. I mean, if I had, if it was a film called Finding Dick, I mean, I don't think. I mean, if they were looking for a guy called Richard and they said, "Well,
almost
make
got
it,
away
let's make the
this-
film called Finding Dick," then you guys would have thought of it in that way. It's not like that. It's just a nickname, and maybe they'll have some issues with it in the UK and the US, but not in India and other places where we have pure thought.
Uh, this is to Arjun and Dimple. Just press conference में we are finding balls,
I'm
dicks,
not
you know.
Dimple.
Dimple,
So
man, आप कब आई? Sorry, sir.
balls, dick. आपने हमने सुना तो during the making of the film इस तरह के conversation कितने हो रहे थे? How much did you all enjoy yourself?
Sir, you won't be able to air it. So no point us talking about it.
अच्छा, any particular dialogue ऐसे कोई यादगार dialogue हो गए जैसे आपने चिन्ह एक बकवास डिक्शनरी वाला टाइप में कुछ इसमें सुनने मिलेगा? है ना कोंकणी ऐसे ना वो हाँ.
It's a full family entertainer. There's absolutely no profanity in this film. It's Am I?
He
Oh, you
finished
finished
that
that?
question.
Something else.
He's saying आपको कोई dialogue पसंद है यादगार जो आप
I'm sorry. I didn't follow your train of thought.
and
बोल दीजिए
नहीं क्या बोले
With your conver-
ये एक सवाल पीछे चल रहे लाइफ में शूटिंग पे एक सीन पीछे ही चलते थे सीन
Not yet. I mean, I don't know. You
आप
decide
देखे-
when
हाँ,
you
yeah.
see the film, you'll know. You don't plan these things. You don't go into a film thinking that, oh, this line is going to be iconic or this line is going to be like the punchline. You go in with a character. You know you're meant to say certain lines. You deliver it a certain way. In the process, if it becomes that, then great.
But sometimes you get that feeling also, no, while shooting it, this would definitely work out something, you know. Maybe a particular dialogue रहता है या कोई steps.
See, let's
ऐसे
put it
कभी
this
होता
way.
है?
This is not one of those films. See, it's not one of those films that the dialogues are written for an effect. They're very throwaway. They're very conversational, matter of fact. So tomorrow, when you guys see the film or the audience sees the film and a dialogue connects or clicks with them, then maybe we'll be able to speak about it more in detail. And there are a lot of dialogues that are contextual. So when you see it in the film, you'll enjoy it. Then maybe if we speak about it, it'll be nice.
Yeah, this question is for Mr. Vijay. Vijay sir, आपसे एक सवाल है कि कितना मैटर करता है बॉक्स ऑफिस इस फिल्म के लिए, क्योंकि इसके पहले भी डेली बेली आई थी, हिंदी और इंग्लिश में रिलीज की गई थी. फाइंडिंग फैनी भी हिंदी इंग्लिश में रिलीज हो रही है और इसके बाद बैंग बैंग एंड देन बॉम्बे वेलवेट. तो किस तरीके से आपका रुझान है फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर रिलीज?
See, our focus as a studio is obviously to come up with films and be associated with films which are different and diverse. And I think, you know, Finding Fanny, Bang Bang, and Bombay Velvet is just sort of testimony to that. See, box office is obviously a very important metric. And I think, but it all has to start with the fact that as a team, we all feel passionate about this film. And genuinely, I believe, you know, as we all know, audiences are changing. I believe it's an excellent opportunity for us to showcase a slightly different film, not only in India but also across the world, and you know, and make it a sort of a milestone as far as Bollywood is concerned. So I think it's really exciting times. You got, you know, exciting talent, and you got quirky directors, and so I think as a team it works really well. See, the film will go through two phases. There is the Indian diaspora, for which it will go out as a Bollywood film. And then there is a separate edit that is being done for taking the film beyond the diaspora. So yes, you know, there it happens beyond the diaspora in phases and stages. And exactly like what we did on My Name is Khan, we would want to do on this particular film.
Deepika and Arjun, yeah. Yeah. Hi. Seems like you guys had too much fun, and you guys have got lots of freedom on the sets. So, you know, Independence is coming up. So what is freedom for you guys? And how do you prefer to celebrate that day?
I love how you've made it seem like you're pertaining it to
It was
Finding
about the
Fanny.
film and then it became
And then you've
something
gone
else.
so smartly into कि आप एक बाइट दे दो इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे. नहीं वो तो बिल्कुल देंगे, पर इन्होंने जो घुमा फिरा के सवाल किया है, I like your style, madam. Ladies first. That's freedom. See, ladies first. Respect women. Give them the right to do what they want. Come on.
It's sad that we even have to see it.
That's also true, actually. Yeah.
So I answer about the film
No,
or the Independence Day bite.
About the freedom, what is freedom for you, and how do you prefer to celebrate that day?
I think freedom is what I had said earlier to one of the other questions, which is to be able to just be yourself, express yourself, and be confident about the person that you are, and to be able to be that. For me, that is freedom.
The last two questions for
Wait,
the
he didn't answer.
Yeah.
You need an answer.
You.
It's pretty much the same thing she's saying. What happens is it's to each his own. At the end of the day, we live in a democratic country, and you correlated with the film, so I can say it's about enjoying yourself. That is what freedom is, where you can express yourself, enjoy yourself, do what you feel like, and not be answerable beyond a point. And I think that's what freedom is in today's day and age. You're your own master of your own destiny. You make your choices and live your life. For me, that is what absolute, genuine freedom is.
Hi, Deepika. Here.
Hi.
Deepika, you share a very good rapport with Homi and Anaita as well. other than this, what really attracted you, to do this film? Probably you could talk about your character in the script that really attracted you.
I think for me, character is second. For me, what really drew me to the film is the fact that a director wants to tell this story, and I want to be a part of that journey to be able to tell that story. The thing is with Homi, he's so sure of what he's doing that you start believing in his vision. Say.
No, sir.
And I think he narrated it to me at a time when I was looking for something slightly different from what I've always done. And what I found the most challenging, like I said earlier, was to be able to perform in English. It's a very different feeling. And yeah. But most importantly, I don't think any of us thought about it so much. He narrated, I liked it, he was ready to produce it, and we went ahead with it. I don't think any of us have thought through it so much.
If I can just add to it without, I think what's nice is it's a very simple story, but the tonality that he selected and the interpretation that he has makes it unique. If he tells the story in 5 lines, it might seem like a very simple story, but he's gone about telling it in a very, his own personal, unique way. He's gone for that, and I think that's what is nice about it. That's what I like personally about it. So the language is, beyond a point, the language is not something that is ये नया है. It's not only the language कि हमने English में की film इसलिए नई picture है. It is the way he's telling the story is new, and the way the characters are etched out, that is what is new in the simple story. They know about the remuneration, about your dates. Are they managing your career also?
When am I starting the film? Again, what is my start date? I have no idea. आपको ज़्यादा पता है? आपको किसने बताया? हाँ? पढ़ा? किसने लिखा? It's not true. I think when you're making a film, it's the process of making the film and the kind of hard work and effort that goes into making a film. I don't think any of us actually sit down and say, oh, I'm going to give 31.5 days for this film. Sometimes you finish earlier, sometimes it takes longer to complete a film. I think the aim and the mission is to complete the film, and to make a good film. I think that's what we all aim to do. It's not the number of days.
Because same time, like जैसे कि आपने कहा कि आप कोकम से बिलिंग करते हैं. Who's the design your cloth? Is there input for your side?
What's he saying?
आपने जैसे कहा कि आप कोकम से बिलोंग करते हैं, तो आपकी डिजाइन कितना इनपुट था आपके क्लोथ्स में?
अभी भी कुछ समझ में नहीं आया.
कपड़ों के
कपड़े हैं, कौन आपके जो क्लोथ्स है किसने डिजाइन किया और कितना इनपुट था?
For which film?
This film, because it belongs
For Finding Fanny. Anaita.
I like how you pointed towards Homi and said Anaita.
Dinesh,
I work with her on almost everything that I can, and with Finding Fanny, I think it was a given. There was no way that anyone else was going to do it, and I think she's done a fantastic job.
Dinesh, here.
Deepika and Arjun
Dinesh.
दोनों से. Hello. Deepika, Arjun.
Dinesh,
This is the last question for the evening.
you've produced movies like Cocktail and now, this movie, which is very international. Probably you could share some experience of, producing the film like this.
Actually, the first film we made, and that also Homi directed, was a film called Being Cyrus. So I think for us, it's very important to find a story and then back the director to make it in the best possible manner. So what's interesting, like Arjun said, the story might be simple. Homi's take makes it interesting. But it's something that everyone said. This story talks about, finding a point to your pointless existence. And that's something I think today, in the era of technology, everyone will relate to. And therefore, the decision also to take it wider than we thought it was. So I think it's the story. If it's a story that evokes a sentiment, you should make it.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Deepika,
media.
last question. Deepika, here.
No, we're done with our question and answer round. Thank you so much.
She's asking a question. You want to ask me later?
What is your question, ma'am? What is your question? Come ahead and ask it.
Deepika? Yeah. My question is... Hey, rukna.
Can we have all of you on stage, please?
हाँ. Deepika, my question is that it's almost 1 year's completed of Chennai Express, and the
It's over, 1 year's over.
Yeah, the Meenamma character is, everybody is liking that character. And also recently, Kareena Kapoor had said that, I want to be a part of Chennai Express sequence. So what is your take on it? What would you like to say about it?
I think it was kind of an emotional day for us. It was yesterday or day before, I think. And I remember speaking to Shah Rukh and Rohit, and we were all BBMing each other because it was a lovely journey, not just the success of the film, but also the process of making the movie. And yeah,